It is about we started 8:15 a.m. It's Monday 29th of December. It's 17 degrees to 24 degrees for the next 2 hours, and we last inspected 11 days ago. I thought I was recording already. So we have already begun checking the pale yellow hive. 1 west, bees 8, brood 8, nectar 1. 1 east, bees 7, brood 8. Two west, bees 8, brood 4, pollen 2, nectar 1. 2 east, bees 7, pollen 3, brood 4. 3 west, bees 7, pollen 2, honey 1, brood 4. 3 east, bees 8, honey 1, pollen 1, make it pollen 3, and brood 4. Frame 4 west, bees 8, nectar 3, and brood in all stages 7. 4 east, bees 8, honey 1, pollen 1, brood in all stages 6. 6 west, bees 8, nectar 5. 6 east, bees 9, nectar 2. Queen right there. 6 west, bees 7, nectar 2. And brood 4, we've got some milky brood as well. 6 east, bees 5, honey 1. And brood, I would say that's 0. 7 west, bees 7, nectar 3, brood 6. 7 east, bees 8. Nectar 4. Green up here. We've got some babies there. And lastly, 8 west, empty. 8 east, bees 7, nectar 7. Although this is brood, I'll be putting this on frame 8. I'm not sure yet if they are ready for super. I'll defer that for later. And for now, that's our pale yellow hive. Let's now jump into the green Macquarie hive. Because it's super, it looks very quiet from here. These are fresh frames. Nothing there. They look congested here. One west, bees 8, honey 4, pollen 1, brood 1, one east, bees 6, pollen 2, honey 1, nectar 1. Two west, bees 8, honey 1, brood 7, I'll make it 8. Two east, bees 9, honey 1, brood 9. Queen not here. Three west, bees 7, nectar 1, brood 8. Three east, bees 8, brood 8, pollen 1. Four west, bees 8, brood 8. Four east, bees 9, and brood, let's say 3. No queen cells, queen up here. 5 west, bees 9, brood 8. 5 east, bees 9, brood 7, pollen 1. 6 west, bees 8, brood 7. We've got a lot of milky broods over there towards the middle of the frame. 6 east, bees 9, brood, I would say 8. Lots of bees, lots of bees. 7 west, bees 8, honey 1. I'm assuming there are eggs here. Not sure. And 7 east, bees 8, bees 9, honey 1. Here we have eggs. I would say brood and eggs here, 7. Lastly, really heavy. 8 west, bees 6, nectar 8. 8 east, bees 7, honey 5, nectar 5. It's really heavy. Let's move them back to their original positions. We'll get the super back. But before the super, we need the queen excluder. Come on, come on. And that is our green Macquarie hive. So I changed my mind. I think I'll have to remove, put in place a full depth super. So what we'll do is we will remove the two outer frames. They have honey, and put that at the super on top. This frame one, and instead we put this. Put it in the middle. So frames 2 and 3 becomes frames 1 and 2, and we have a new frame in frame 3 position. We will remove as well frame 8, and that's my smoke. Frame 7 and 6 becomes 7 and 8, and we grab a frame, put it here. We can scan frame 6. We put the queen excluder back. Now we put this new super. It's a full depth super. I know I told myself I'm not gonna deal with full depth super again, but we needed to, and we put this in here. Change my mind again. We'll put this ideal frame first, ideal box first. And then close it. And that's our green Macquarie hive. Let's check the orange hive. Now, last time they were really unfriendly. Hopefully not today. Still the super is empty. One west, B6, nectar 6, one east empty. Two west, B8, nectar 2, pollen 1. Two east, B5. That's about it. Yeah, they're really not friendly. They're flighty. 3 west, bees 8, pollen 1, brood 1, make it 2, 3 east, bees 6. Got it. 4 west, bees 6, brood 7. 4 east, bees 9, brood 5, pollen 1. We've got a queen there, blue dotted. So it's a fairly new queen. Five west, bees 8, pollen 1. 5 east, bees 8, nectar 1, brood 7. 6 west, bees 8, brood 9, beautiful cap brood. 6 east, bees 7, brood 9, beautiful. 7 west, bees 7, brood 7. We've got milky brood as well. And 7 east, bees 8, brood 6. Eight west, bees 1, empty. 8 east, bees 6, pollen 1, nectar 3. We'll put frame 1 and it becomes final. And that's our orange hive. Next is our olive hive. Look at that, the star of the apiary. Nothing there. Ideal frame 3. We can say nectar 2. Ideal frame 4 west. That's about 7. And 4 east. That's about 6. 5 west. That's heavy 7. 5 east. That's 6. Even 6 west has about 2, and 2 for 6 east. 7 west has about 1, 7 east has about 2. 8 west empty, 8 east has about 3. Look at that. So what we'll do is we'll put those with nectar to the side, so they can work on the empty ones like this. I would say number of bees, let's make it 2 by 9. Yeah, 2 by 9. 2 by 9 equivalent. Okay. Let's look at the brood box. Looks full as well. One west, bees 7, honey 3, brood 4. 1 east, nectar 1, brood 6. 2 West B6, honey 1, brood 7. 2 East Bees 9, brood, mostly milky brood 8. 3 West we have Bees 8. Destroy this, Nectar 1. And 3 East Bees 9, brood of all in all stages 8. Queen up here, no queen cells. 4 West Bees 7, honey 1, brood 8. 4 East Bees 8, brood 8, honey 1. 5 West Bees 8, and we've got a queen, yellow dotted. Honey 1, pollen 1, brood 6. 5 East Bees 8, honey 1, brood 7. That's her. 6 West Bees 9 or 8. 6 East Bees 7, brood 3, honey 1, pollen 1. 7 West Bees 8, honey 2, brood 6. 7 East Bees 8, honey 1, pollen 1 or pollen 3, brood 2. 8 West honey 3, brood 2, nectar 1. 8 East honey 3, brood 5, make it 6, pollen 1. We'll just put frame 1 into position 8. Let's see what happens in the lime hive before we decide what to do, if we will add another ideal super here or not. So that's our olive hive.